Good morning, students. So after the Diwali vacation, now again I am going to start the chapter, that is new chapter in biology class 7th, that is health and hygiene. So in this chapter health and hygiene, I will tell you about the allergy, because especially this chapter is related to the allergic reactions, and you have to study what is allergy, what are the different types of allergies, and what are allergens, and what are the symptoms of allergens, and how we can protect our body from these kind of allergens or allergic reactions. So first of all, you should know what is allergy. So allergy means when sometime what happens, our body react to certain substance in our surroundings, and these reactions which occur due to the substance in our surroundings, that reaction they are called, that condition is called allergy. And in this allergy what happens, sometimes our body, there is itching in our body, or there is a rashes in our appears in our skin, or swelling occurs, constant sneezes or sneezing occurs, or inability to breathe. So these conditions, if sometime happens in our body, this is only called the allergic reactions, and these are caused due to the certain substance in our surroundings, according to which there our body reacts to that particular substance. And this because of this allergy what happens, our body develops a defense mechanism to substance, and this defense mechanism triggers these reactions in order to protect us. So these reactions which or defense mechanism which triggers this reaction in order to protect us, this happens because of the allergy only. And there are some our skin is sensitive to some substance or elements, and these substance or elements which are sensitive to our skin, they are called allergens. So what allergens are? Allergens are actually the substance which causes allergy, or it is a condition in which our body produces an abnormal immune response to certain substance. This condition is called allergy, and this is not harmful that much, but it is harmless, the substance are, and sometimes it is very mild and sometimes it is very severe. So mild means it can be only does not cause that much effect on our body, but if it is severe then it can be life threatening also sometimes. And the symptoms which we see in the allergies are like runny nose, sneezing especially, skin rashes appears in our body, and as well as nausea. So these are the symptoms of the allergic reactions: runny nose, sneezing, skin rashes, and nausea. And why this allergy happens? So the allergies happen, or allergy takes place, that is due to the allergens. So what is actually allergens, or how will you define allergens? So allergens are the foreign substances that is either inhaled or eaten and is recognized by the immune system as a threat, causing abnormal immune response. So whenever there is an abnormal immune response due to certain substance, foreign substance, either it is taken in some food forms eaten by us, or sometimes it is inhaled through air, so that causes the allergic reactions, and these substances are only called the allergens. And these allergens are, they can induce allergy, means they help to increase the allergic reactions, and they are also hypersensitive to our skin. Now the allergens are of several kinds according to the type of substance. So I want to discuss few types. First is the food allergens. Food allergen means through the food which we eat, like sometimes peanuts, they also cause allergy, milk products sometimes. So they are all food allergen because they are taken as food. And non-food allergens are those substances which are not food but they are inhaled, especially through the air, and these are in the form of either dust, pollen grains, or mites, or pollen soot, smoke, cigarette smoking. So these are all the smokes which are different kinds of dust particles or pollen grains which come or which are inhaled through the air. They are all non-food allergens. So they are also, we can say, they are called airborne allergens because they are inhaled through the air. Through our nose it comes, and from there it enters our body. Like dust particles, if there is outside there is a dust, sometimes what happens, we sneezes. So that is also a type of allergic reaction which we are inhaling through the air. And pollen grains, you all know pollen grains, they are produced in the flowers, and during pollination these pollen grains are transferred from one flower to another. So what happens, these particles or the pollen grains, they remain in the air, and these pollen grains sometimes they are through the air only, they are inhaled by us and they cause allergens. So these are the different types of the allergens. Either it may be food allergens, it may be non-food allergens, or it may be air, some other types also like dust and pollen grains. And so this much for today's class, and tomorrow I will explain you the different symptoms of this kind of allergens. Thank you.